Welcome to the enchanting world of koi, where colors dance on the water's surface, epitomizing love, friendship, and the art of living. Originating from the serene waters of Japan, these aquatic jewels are not merely fish. They are symbols of beauty, thriving in harmony with nature. They embody perseverance, strength, and the joy of life, with each hue, pattern, and ripple narrating centuries-old traditions. These cultural icons have captivated hearts worldwide. Let's delve into their intriguing origins, their cross-cultural significance, and the special place they hold in many hearts, embarking on this colorful journey together. Beneath the water's surface lies a world where harmony and beauty reign, home to the captivating koi fish. In ponds that reflect the sky above, koi glide with elegance, their vibrant scales shining brightly. Their environment, dotted with lily pads and carved by gentle ripples, sustains not only their physical needs, but also showcases their natural grace. Koi diets are diversely rich, including peas and watermelon, enhancing their scales' vibrancy. The variety among them, from the sleek platinum ogon to the fiery hiutsuri, speaks to nature's artistry and the careful attention of those who nurture them. These patterns and colors do more than mark their breed. They narrate the lineage and history of each fish. Next, we delve into the story of the koi, highlighting its cultural importance and the enduring connection it fosters with humanity. Exploring the vibrant world of koi, we uncover their profound cultural significance. Beyond their allure, koi symbolize perseverance and strength, revered for centuries in various cultures. They inspire art, stories, and festivals, embodying more than mere beauty. They illustrate life's resilience and nature's enduring spirit. In Japan, koi hold a cherished place, enchanting all ages and serving as muses to artists and storytellers. This chapter reveals how koi marvelously blend into the human narrative, urging us to find beauty and resilience. We now consider how to protect these emblematic creatures, ensuring their legacy continues. Our journey through the world of koi fish has enriched us with insights into their unique habitats, diverse diets, and the cultural weave they add to our existence. Yet, they face challenges, with habitats under threat. Global conservation efforts are burgeoning, aiming to preserve the splendor of koi. This tale of care and conservation reminds us of our role in safeguarding natural marvels. As we part ways, let's embrace the spirit of protection for koi and all wonders of nature.